Hey, ChatGPT.
Hey, how's it going? What's up?
Um, I'm looking to buy a brand new Hellcat, and
Oh,
I don't know what the engine sounds like.
yeah. So the Hellcat supercharged Hemi V8 has this deep, kind of burbly idle, and when you rev it, it turns into this loud, aggressive roar.
Is
The
is there any
supercharger
way where you
whine.
can kind of like sound that out for me? I'm kind of an audit. I'm kind of a I learn when I listen.
All right. So I can't make that actual engine tone with my voice, but picture
Can you
this:
try your
at
best?
idle. Sure. So at idle, it would sound like when you rev, like vroom, wah. It, the real thing is heavier though.
Um, are you sure engines sound like that?
Let me check. Not really. The real Hellcat exhaust is way fuller than anything I can imitate, with a deep V8 pulse and that distinct supercharger whine that
What
builds
does
in
that
as revs rise.
what does that supercharger whine sound like?
It's a high-pitched mechanical whee that ramps up with RPM. It sort of lays over the deep roar.